Next, you could read about settings, and basically you could modify each part of VS Code using settings. You could go to settings either by selecting Code, Preferences, Settings, or you could use key combination Command comma or Control comma. Let's open up settings, and here you'll find user and workspace settings. User settings are actually general settings of VS Code for particular user, and they will be common for all open projects. For example, here you could modify auto-save option. You could search for settings. For example, let me enter here format, and I'll find all occurrences of format setting, like editor default formatter, format on paste, format on save, and so on.